So everyone, welcome to my. I'm grabbing my head all over the place. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Milton.
Hi.
Oh, how?
I created the YouTube channel so I can share my story, my journey going through the master's program. A little bit about myself. I graduated recently with a bachelor's in computer engineering here in California. I also did. So when I did my undergraduate, I focused a lot on learning about embedded systems, machine learning. Now, essentially, what I'm doing is that after I finish my bachelor's, I'm going to go into the master's program in the same school, and then focusing on robotics. So the master's programs, the title was called, it's called um, computer and electrical engineering. So that's the title of the master's program. But essentially, you can take a bunch of electives. So this again, another part of the channel is to explain some things. So essentially, when you pick a master's, you can master program, you can have a bunch of electives, and these electives you can choose whatever classes you want. So essentially, you can focus on a certain field. So for me, I'm going to focus on robotics. And so essentially, I'm going to be taking a bunch of robotic classes and courses. Uh, as an undergraduate, I also did a bunch of research, working on a EMG classification system that would have been integrated into a hybrid prosthetic system. So I'll go a little bit more into that in another video. Essentially, it's just an explanation of this channel and what goals I'm setting, or what you should be expecting. So, uh, what I'm going to be doing essentially is maybe doing a daily to weekly videos about what I've been doing, what's going on, um, the struggles, and so just to give an insight of like what it means to be a master's student, especially in engineering, here in California, in United States, California. And I'm happy to answer any questions. So if you have any questions about, masters, college, my experience, challenges, go ahead and put them in the comments. Uh, when I first started at school, I remember there was not a lot of YouTube channels out there that people were doing master program. So this is my story. Um, this is going to be an interesting semester as well, as sorry, this is going to actually also be my first time being a graduate assistant. So it's called graduate assistant. Uh, I think that's the professional title for it, but in other words, I'm going to be a lab instructor. So I signed up to be a lab instructor for 3 courses that I took as my undergraduate. So essentially, I'm just going to be a lab instructor, 3 courses, each lab's about 3 hours. So part of it, I don't know if it's going to be part of this video or part of the next one. You're just going to be seeing me reviewing the one of the course materials, which is power electronics. So I'm going to be being a lab instructor for power electronic. And so right now I'm going to be reviewing the course by going through this person's uh, course material. It's pretty cool. It seems like they have probably 20 good videos, so I'm going to be doing some exercises to catch up. This is the only one that I'm kind of iffy about, so I just want to be well prepared before I go, as a lab instructor. I also going to be doing uh, instructing courses in you guys don't know the numbers because they're from my own school, but uh, introduction to circuits. So this is one of the most challenging courses out there in engineering, because it's there's some courses that can, well, what a lot of my peers would say, like I don't want to mess up the pronunciation of the thing. Break.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so what I was looking up is the term like weeding out. So this course usually a lot of newer engineering students will usually fail the first time. It's definitely a hard class. It's basically the foundation of engineering for electrical and computer, understanding circuit analysis. So I'm looking forward into helping all these students out in that course. The other one I'm also going to be helping out was the Python course. That one I'm doing, and that one I know very well. Um, I've been working with Python for 3 years now. It's my favorite language to use. I wouldn't say most engineers seem to use Python. Um, I mean, of course, if we're gonna be working on not web. Well, I don't know too much about CS stuff, but I know they use Java, JavaScript. Even I don't even know the difference. I should know them. But my go to is Python. So any programs I make is usually in Python. So I'm looking forward, especially specifically that one, to help be instructing. Um, but yeah, so again, welcome to the channel. Hope you learned something new. And I'll probably just again upload a bunch of videos of me doing different tasks, talking about what happened that week, that day, how I can improve, and again, just showing you a little bit about my own story about yeah what I do. So thank you very much.